How do students get admits into top universities like MIT, Stanford, Princeton, Caltech, etc.? They have a combination of a lot of factors that constitute a very, very strong profile that helps them get admitted into top tier universities for either MS or PhD programs. The first factor is a very, very strong research profile. Having a first author research publication in your profile immediately elevates your profile by 5 or 10 times, and it can also help you to offset your GPA. The second part is having a very strong SOP. The third part is having a well written and a brief resume. The fourth part is having a well drafted letters of recommendation. And the fifth part is having a very strong portfolio website. That is what we at Videsh do when we talk about our long term mentorship program, where we are combining these five factors into our mentorship program at Videsh that will help you to land your dream universities. So Videsh was founded by three co-founders, Dr. Raj, Dr. Rajat, and Dr. Sridat, who are award-winning scientists and PhD holders from Indian Institute of Technology, MIT, and Purdue University in the United States. So Videsh was founded with the sole aim of helping students and working professionals like yourselves to get into your dream universities. Videsh LTM program is divided into two phases. The first phase is the review paper writing phase, in which you will write and publish a review paper in a very reputed journal. I will take you through the contents of this phase. So, we will help you with the basics of review paper writing along with selecting a topic for your paper. We will also help you with the literature study. You will then proceed to write the paper outline, that is the title, abstract, figures, introduction, tables, etc. You will then write the paper manuscript. Finally, we will help you to identify a journal for paper submission, and you will publish the paper finally as a first author. So, this phase will essentially take around 3 to 4 months, and I am now going to show you the realistic timeline of review paper writing. So, we have broken down every phase into number of sub steps and into number of days and number of weeks, so that it will help our students to stay on track. It is also possible that a lot of students are working professionals and are not able to devote any time during the weekdays, but having to take out 2 to 3 hours on the weekend is enough if you have to complete the review paper in 3 to 4 months. So this is the realistic timeline, that is a general guideline, and we will customize this timeline for you when you are an LTM student. I will also take you through one of the review papers written by one of our students. So this review paper was written in cash management, and I just want to show you this paper as an example of the paper that you will be producing. Okay, so this is an example of a review paper, and your review paper will also look something like this. So this is the first phase of the long term mentorship program. The second phase of this program consists of document perfection, and it will consist of writing your SOP, resume, LORs, university shortlisting, and portfolio website. So, these five elements constitute the phase 2 of the long term mentorship program, and these phases combined with the phase 1 will completely enable you to elevate your profile by 5 or 10 times, and it will help you to also offset your GPA. If you are interested in the Videsh long term mentorship program, send a mail to us at hello@flyvidesh.com with all the details like your name, your study, your career aspirations, and a latest copy of your resume, and we will revert to you within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you, and all the best for your applications.